On October 5th, 2021, the official version of Windows 11 became available for download. Unfortunately for some of us, it came with specific hardware requirements. Among those requirements are a trusted platform module, version 2 is recommended, and version 1.2 is minimum, and a UEFI secure boot support, which is a feature of the motherboard. New computers have it, and older ones, well, not so much. Basically, any older computer will not be compatible and will need to be replaced. Needless to say, this is a problem for anyone with one or more of these computers. It's not all bad. There are also good news. Windows 10 will be supported until 2025, which means that from the time of making this video, you still have time to consider a computer upgrade while receiving updates to your current Windows 10. In addition, Microsoft implemented a registry bypass to these requirements while installing on a not supported computer. To install Windows 11, start by downloading the ISO file from this website. The link is in the description below. Scroll down, choose Windows 11 from the drop-down list here and click Download. Choose a language and click Confirm. A temporary link has been created for this download and will expire within 24 hours. Click the 64-bit download button to initiate the download. After the download is complete, add it to your multi-boot flash drive and use it to start your computer. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please add them in the comments section below. Choose a language, time format, and keyboard, and then click Next. Click Install Now to proceed. If you have a product key, enter it and click Next. Otherwise, click the I don't have a product key link. Choose the version you would like to install and click Next. This is a point where Windows checks for system requirements. As you can see, my computer doesn't meet the minimum system requirements to install Windows 11. Press Shift and F10 to bring up a command prompt. Type regedit and press Enter. Locate the following key, right-click it, hover over New, and click Key. Rename the new key to the following name. Now, right-click here, hover over New, and click DWORD32. Name it BypassTPMCheck and assign the value 1. You will need to create several more keys using this method. Their exact names are in the description below. Assign the value 1 to all of the newly created keys. Once done, close the registry and the command prompt.
Please subscribe.
The next button is grayed out, so just close this window and choose Yes here. Click Install Now, enter a key or click this link, choose Windows version and click Next. Read and accept the license terms, then click Next. Choose Custom here. Click Next if you don't intend to create multiple partitions. Windows will proceed with the installation and will restart your computer. By the way, if you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you click the like button. This will let the YouTube algorithm know that it's a good video and should be shown to more people. Clicking the bell icon will notify you when a new video is published. Verify the country and click Yes. Verify the keyboard layout and click Yes. Add a layout if you need another or click Skip. Give the computer a cool name and click Next. You can also skip this step and rename your computer later. Choose if this is for personal use or for work and click Next. Here you can sign in with a Microsoft account, and if you click the Sign In options, you can create an offline account. If you previously chose Windows 11 Home, the option to create an offline account will not be available. To enable this option, disconnect your computer from the internet, go back to the previous screen, then go back one more screen, and then proceed. An option to create an offline account will become available. Click Skip if you chose to create an offline account. Enter a name for the offline account. This will be the first user in Windows 11 and will have administrative rights. Enter a password for this user and click Next. Confirm the password and click Next. Enter 3 answers to 3 security questions which will be used in case you forget your password. Click Next after each answered question. Review the privacy settings and click Accept. Windows 11 is now installed. Let's adjust the resolution and run WinVer to see the version of the operating system. As you can see here, Windows 11 is fully operational and has no restrictions for installing Windows updates. Enjoy your new Windows 11. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.